Alright, welcome back to today's class. So in today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to make payments for your TikTok ad manager. You can only make payments with dollar on TikTok ad manager. Your Naira card cannot work. So I'm going to guide you on how to make payments for your ads on TikTok ad manager. So I'm going to guide you on how to create a dollar card. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end. As I said earlier, Nigerian card cannot work for you. You can only use dollar card. I have two apps that you can use to get a dollar card. So one is cheaper card, and then the other one is also gray app. Okay, so I prefer using gray app. I'm going to drop the link to download the app. You need to download the gray app on my description, so you can click the link, or you go to your Play Store to download the app. Either you are using what's it called, iPhone or Android phone, you can also use it. Just go to your Play Store or Apple Store and click on this gray app. So it's already here. You click on this gray app. So this is the first one. I already have the app installed on my phone, so I will just click on open. At your own end, it will show install, so you just need to click on install to install the app. So let me click on open. So I already have an account, but I'm going to create a new account so that you can understand the process. So I will click on get started. So can you see sign up with Google? I will continue with email address. So I'll click on email address. So you select your country, which is Nigeria. So I'll click on continue. Then you see proceed with Nigeria. Then so here I'm going to put my legal name, right? My first name. So you put your first name, your middle name, and your surname. So you select your gender. Put together now. Then you select email. So let me put this is my second email. Okay. Then you put your phone number. Okay. So use this my referral code to get a bonus. Okay. If you use this my referral code, use it to get a bonus. It's very simple. Just ICR1DI. So if you use my referral code, you will get a bonus. You can also click on the description to click on my referral code to get a bonus from Gray app. So I'll click on continue. Okay, my number has already been used, so let me use my other phone number. So I changed my phone number. So to use my referral code for you to win the bonus attached to it, so click on the link in the description to tap into to win the big bonus. So now I'm going to put my password here. Okay, so let me just use any password. So now I put in my password and click on continue. So at this junction now, they will send a code to my email. So I'll need to verify the OTP. So let me minimize and go to my email to verify the OTP. Okay, so let me check spam. So in case you don't see the email, you can check your spam. You can check the spam. Can you see that the email was inside the spam box? I couldn't find it on my inbox, but the email is inside the spam box. So if you can't find the mail on your inbox, you can check your spam box. So it's already here. So I check the spam box now. So then the email is there. So let me copy the email. So I'll paste the. So right now you'll be asked that what do you want to use Gray for. So you just choose get a virtual card. So just select here. Then you can also send money abroad, create invoice and receive payment, get a foreign account to receive payment and all that. So you can select as many as you want. I get in manage and track my expenses. So I'll just click on get a virtual card for online shopping, because that is only what you want to be using it for. So I'll click on continue. So here you have to create your pin. So you click on create pin. So let me just use random pin. Okay, so let me just use random pin. Okay, continue. So you also confirm the pin. So can you see welcome to gray? Okay, so here you just click on go to home. So when you go to home, you do your KYC. What I mean by KYC is to submit your valid identification card. So you select all those things, you will fill all those to verify your accounts. Okay, you click here more. So under more, can you see account verification, attention needed? So your attention is highly needed here, so that you can get account number, get a card and all that. So you click on this account verification. So complete your KYC verification. This will enable you send money globally, get US dollar virtual card, swap between currency, create your unique rate tag. So these are the things that you need to do. So I'll click on begin KYC verification. So here you will select your date of birth. So I'm just going to be using random birthday. Okay, so let me use this month, March, and then the year. So you can click here to fast track, to go to the exact year. So let me click on, okay, click on 2000. So just using this for tutorial. Okay, then you select your own town. Let's say Ikeja. Okay, so click add manually. So state is Lagos State. Select your state. Okay, you tick here, and then okay, let me see. So Lagos. So city is Ikeja. So you can select your city. My home address is Allen. So let me put it here. Allen. Okay. So zip code. So I'm going to teach you on how to get your zip code. You go to Google, and then you will type. This is Google. You just type zip code for Allen Ikeja. Is right here. So you can also search for your zip code of your location. So this is 100,281. So we have different zip code that you can get in your location. Just type it on Google like this. So I'm going to be using 100,281. So I'm using 100,281. So you can search for your own location. Let's say Abuja, whichever state that you want. Can you see? It's just 6 figures. All right. So it's going to give you your exact zip code of your country. Okay. So now, so here proof of address type. So these are the places you need to, the documents you need to drop, either utility bills, tax statements and reports, rental agreements, and bank statements. So if you have your utility bill, you can just tick here and drop it. If you have your bank statement, you can also put it here. I believe you have your bank statement, so you can just go to your bank and request for your, in fact, go to your app, your bank app, and request for bank statements. Then you can upload it here. So you tick any of these to do what, to verify your account as a KYC. So you just upload the utility bill, if it is also your rental agreement and all that. So I believe either the utility bill or bank statement, I believe you must have one out of it. So that is that. So okay, I have my bank statement here. So then I'll select bank statement. So I'm done. Then I'll click on continue. So here you see you are almost there. Do you identify as a political exposed person? You click on no. Are you a family member and or a close associate of a political exposed person? So you click on no. Then you click on continue. So at this junction, you are to scan your valid ID card. Yeah, you see one more step before you can make any transaction on Gray. You are required by law to verify your identity. So either you use your driver license or your passport or your national ID card. So you proceed. Okay, so you just need to just scan it, and you need to snap yourself. Can you see? You need to see. You just click on this get started, right? You click on get started to snap yourself, and then snap the valid ID card. Can you see? You make a selfie check, and then ID verification. These are the two things that you will do here. So let me try. Maybe I can. So all right. So here now you can you see Nigeria. What is recommended? NIN, driver's license, passport, voter ID. So these are the things you do. If you click on NIN, you just need to put your what's it called? Your NIN number. You put it here, and then you are good to go. Then you click on next. Okay. So it's also your passport. You put the passport. You scan. You see. You snap it. Right. When you do all those things, within few minutes, the gray app will verify your account to be on review, and then within few minutes they're going to verify your account, and then you are good to go. So I don't want to do that because I've already used all my information for my current gray account that I'm using. So I just created this for a tutorial sake. Okay, so and then in my next video I'm going to teach you on how to get a dollar card, and then also guide you on how to get your account number, how to convert your currency from naira to dollar. So thank you for watching. If you are new in my channel, kindly please subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Till we see you next time. Peace.